top. This is how my bags come. Fresh. Seal. No seal. I'll crack this open because I'm about to use it. Look, reseal. Keep it fresh. Look at the freshness in there. Tap in with me. Chicoffee coffee, caffeine free. It's the best product. That's not even, come on. This is it. You want to lose weight. You want digestive health, better digestive bowel movements. You want heart health. You've been having a little heart spasms, anything. This is gonna do it. Stomach issues. Increase that blood. It's good for diabetes. This is it. Tap in with me. Oh, you can close it. It's all good. Peace and love, yo.